Most people get this wrong. They think virtual business addresses are just for large corporations. But the surprising truth is that services like Anytime Mailbox make professional mail handling accessible for small businesses and remote workers. Anytime Mailbox is a virtual mailbox service that provides a real street address for your business. Instead of using your home address, you can receive mail and packages at this professional address and view and manage them online. You can scan, forward, or even shred mail with just a few clicks. One standout feature is the convenience. I've used Anytime Mailbox to consolidate mail from multiple locations, and the platform makes it easy to see all incoming items in a digital dashboard. You get notifications when mail arrives, and the scanning process is fast and reliable. The surprising truth is that the service also supports business growth. By having a consistent, professional address, you can register your business, receive official documents, and build credibility with clients, all without exposing your home address. Some plans even include multiple users, which is great for teams. Potential limitations include the monthly fee, which varies based on the plan, and number of scans. For businesses that receive very little mail, the cost may feel high. Additionally, not all locations support package forwarding globally, so it's important to check coverage if you ship internationally. In conclusion, Anytime Mailbox is a reliable and flexible solution for small business owners, freelancers, and remote workers who need a professional address and convenient mail management. It streamlines operations and adds credibility, making it a smart investment for growing businesses. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business tools to help you work smarter and stay organized.